Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a broken key. Nissan's actually one of the most popular broken car key. Usually the piece is stuck in the ignition, but this customer's been very lucky. The key broke clean, they got the piece out, they didn't try to stick it in and make it turn. So this is a Nissan broken key. We'll use the example today. So I'll show you how we do it, and just swing over here. Swing into there. So the key kind of broke clean, but this is you can see how worn it is. This key's so worn it doesn't even have the shoulders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure from the end. We could cut it by code. I'll show you how to cut it by code in the next video. But what we're going to do here, can you see that there? So I'm measuring it. I'm just measuring it by the end, clamping it on there. I'll take the key again because there's not enough of a shoulder here. I'm going to put this in. And then I'll just cut it. Now you slowly, because you don't have much of a grip here, so we'll just take it down a little bit at a time. Yeah, that cut kind of nice actually. I'll flip it on the other side. And again, I measured it from the end because I don't have enough of a shoulder. And you see here where you could try putting the whole key in, but look how worn this is. It doesn't even have the shoulder. But we're lucky; it just broke off clean right at the deepest cut. So there we go. Bottom line is we've taken the customer's broken key. It's pretty worn, but this is just one way of cutting the key. We're just duplicating it exactly. The other way of doing it, we'll measure the depths of the key and we'll cut it on the code machine. So again, this is usually the quick and dirty way of doing it. It usually works. Sometimes it doesn't, and then we have to cut it key by code or decipher the key and figure out what the depths are and cut it by code. This car is too old to have a code from the dealer. Again, the customer just brought the key in. If we go to the car, I know there's a code on the car somewhere. We can make a key for it that way. But this is the quick and easy way of making a key out of a broken key cut. Okay, thank you very much. This is Terry with Mr. Locksmith.